Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to explain to you guys a little bit about what is the waitlist.dat file in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer and how to find that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So basically, waitlist.dat file is a data file which has been found to contain striped text from email, contact, and document files as a functions of the Windows search indexer. The file that is created is a part of the input personalization system that adapts the language model and dictionary to a particular user based on the user's usage. So how to find that in the Windows? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so tap mo lang dito yung File Explorer, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then once na open mo na yung File Explorer, and then dito lang sa this PC, so click mo lang yan, and then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang select dito or itap mo lang dito yung ating C drive. So double click ka lang. And next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung user. So double click ulit dito. So dito sa user, ang next step ay iselect mo lang dito yung ating username. Okay? So makikita mo dito yung username and then double click ulit. And dito sa username ay kailangan mo lang ilocate at hanapin mo dito yung app data. So kapag wala kang makitang app data, ang gagawin natin dito ay dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot, ito yung see more. So click mo lang yan and then select mo lang dito yung option. And dito sa folder options, so ang next step, dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang select dito yung view. And then dito sa advanced settings ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung show hidden files. So i-click mo lang yung circle na yan and then click mo lang dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then makikita mo na dito yung app data, okay? So nag-appear na siya. So ang gagawin natin yan, so double click ulit. And dito sa app data, so ang next step, select mo lang dito yung local, so double click ulit. And dito sa local, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung Microsoft, so double click ulit dito sa Microsoft. And dito sa Microsoft, so ang next step ay i-locate natin dito yung input personalizations, okay? So, scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin dito yung input personalization. So, double click ulit. And dito sa input personalizations, so, kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung text harvester. So, scroll down lang tayo and then i-locate natin dito yung text harvester. So, double click ulit. And then ito na siya. Okay? So, makikita mo na dito yung waitlist.dat file folder. Okay? So, ganito lang siya. Alright? Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-locate yung waitlist.dat file in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.